Hello everyone, welcome to another SMT tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be putting you through how to participate in Neura Testnet. Please do not forget that you can support our channel by buying our educational token, WikiCat, built on the Binance Smart Chain network. The contract address of WikiCat will be right in the description. Alright, let's dive right into the tutorial. So Neura is a blockchain powered by Ankr, right? Ankr is a Web3 platform that facilitates the development and operations of blockchain-based applications. So presently, Ankr token is live and it is available on several networks, including the ERC20 and the BEP20. But once Neura is live, Ankr is going to be the native token of the Neura network. Alright guys, so let's dive right into the tutorial. Let's open Mace's browser. So I'll just paste the link to the testnet. Search. And then first thing that we're going to do is to connect our wallet. So I'm going to select the wallet I want to use. Next. Confirm. Okay, so the next thing is to go to projects. So we have to switch our network to Neura Testnet. So let's switch. So these are projects in which we can invest our funds. But first off, we're going to go to the Faucet to request some test tokens. Okay, so I'll paste the link. Search. Okay, so we need our wallet address. So let's go over to our wallet to copy that. Copy. Okay. Alright, paste. Let's give me one Ankr token. Alright, so guys, if we go to our wallet, we should see our Ankr token in our wallet. Okay, so let's go back to the platform. So let's just select this, test. So next, you input the amount of funds that you want to invest, test. Okay guys, so we have successfully invested our funds. So let's go to the next project. Alright, so we're going to do the same thing. Input the amount that you want to invest. Test. Okay, so we have successfully invested, right? Another engagement is to send and receive test tokens, right? So let's go over to our wallet. Okay, so say we want to send some tokens. Send. Input the address of your recipient. Input the amount you want to send. Okay. Confirm. Okay guys, so that's basically it. So you want to do all of this engagement as frequent as you can. Use their testnet, use their investment platform, and of course perform some transactions in your wallet. Okay guys, so we've come to the end of today's tutorial. Please do ensure to drop your questions if you have questions about the tutorial. And of course, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on your post notification bell so as to be notified whenever we drop a new video. Alright guys, see you in the next tutorial.